Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ken Castello, and for this video we're going to review the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Volt. This shoe is actually not bad. I mean, it's just that the first time you look at it, you're gonna feel awkward about the color. It's too bright, the green color. My first impression to this one is like, you know, a shoes that you wear when you go to gym or you go do exercise. That's what I think about these shoes. Actually, with some proper clothing style, this one's gonna look good. A lot of people doesn't like this one, but for me, the more I wear it and the more I look at it, the more I actually starting to like this one. So it takes time for you to get used to it, but I'm telling you, this one is actually an awesome shoes. So please stay tuned and watch this video because I'm gonna make you realize, I'm gonna tell you why is that, okay? So let's go ahead and review these shoes. So guys, before anything else, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please press the subscribe button and the notification bell button for more videos like this in the future.
Hey mga kalapad, what's going on? Welcome to Mr. Lapat's official channel, and today we got another sneaker to review. As you can see, we got the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Volt. Let's see how this one look. As you can see, the retail box of these shoes is gray. Then you will notice the graffiti written all over the box, and it's actually the same graffiti that you'll see on the box of Air Jordan 1 Rebellionaire. On the front side of the box, you'll see the Nike logo in neon green color, and you got the same Nike logo on each side of the box. Now let's go ahead and look at the back side of the box and see if there's something different. Okay, so on the box, I don't know if you can actually clearly see it on the camera, but the neon color is too bright and you can barely see what's written on there. But it's basically the same information that you'll see on the other box. It's basically stating the Air-Sole unit of the shoes. Now let's move on and see some other details or information about these shoes. Okay, so for these shoes, I've ordered size 7 in US men's sizing or 25 centimeter here in Japan. And yeah, I'm telling you guys, this is exactly the same graffiti design that you'll find on the Rebellionaire box, except the color is actually different and there's an X mark logo on the front box instead of having the Nike logo. Now let's go ahead and open the box and see the inside. And you can see the Nike logo there with some code. I think it's for the authentication of the shoes. And there you go, you got the swoosh. Here are some details that you want to watch out when you're trying to authenticate the shoes. Now let's move on to the shoe wrapper. Okay, so it's the same graffiti design that you'll find on the cover of the box. And here we go, as we unwrap the shoes, you can see the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Volt. And honestly, I'm having a mixed feelings about this right now because when I first saw it on the website, I was like, meh, but it's actually beautiful once you've seen it in person. So for anyone who's actually interested in these shoes, I would highly recommend for you to see it for yourself and go to store, because this shoes is actually just sitting on the store and you might still find it available. Now let's go ahead and analyze the shoes and start with the outsole. As you can see, it's black and it's a typical Air Jordan 1 track sole, and I like it black because it doesn't get dirty that much. The midsole of the shoes is off-white, which gives it a vintage look. Now, do you remember when I told you that these shoes is somehow similar to Stage Chase? It's because the upper section of these shoes is composed of cracked leather materials. But with this one, they've used cracked leather material on almost every part. I know at this camera angle and because of the neon green color, you can barely see the cracking on the leather, but if you take a closer look in person, then you'll definitely notice it. I think the cracking on the leather is mostly visible on the black leather materials more than anything else on the shoes. One thing I'm not sure about is the durability of this cracked leather in the long run and how it's gonna look once it started peeling off. And I think this cracked leather material is purposely used to give the shoes a vintage look in the future. The only leather material that you will not find any cracking is on the swoosh. And there's the Jordan brand logo perfectly placed on the collar section of the shoe. Now let's move on to the toe box section of the shoe, and you can see that it's in grayish white color. And not to forget to mention that these shoes has two different color of shoelaces included in the packaging. You can choose from black wash color or grayish white color. In my opinion, I think the black shoelaces is way better than the grayish white because it gives the shoes a balanced color contrast. This Air Jordan 1 also have a hand tag, the same tag that you've seen from Stage Chase, which is to inform consumer about the cracked leather material on the shoes. And the tongue is made of nylon material. It's in off-white color. Then on the tongue you will see the Nike Air tag in neon green color. Are you able to see the Nike Air logo? Because it's written in silver color and I can barely see it. Actually, what you can see on the screen right now is what you will literally see in person, and it's really hard to read some details because of the color combination. Now let's go ahead and look at the insole of the shoe and see what's going on there. And this shoe has a black sock lining. As you can see, it's perfectly cushioned. The insole of this shoe is color neon green, and you can see the Nike Air logo in black color. Now I will remove the padding of the shoe to see how soft it is. And here we go guys, I have successfully removed the padding from the shoe. As you can see, it's in neon green with Nike Air logo in black color. Let's flip it to see what's the details in there. Okay, I can see some brand logo here, and you can see some code. I'm not sure what the code means. Actually, from touching it, I can feel that this one is very soft. And you can see my thumbs pressing down the cushion and showing you guys how soft it is. So I think that's all the details guys for this Air Jordan 1 Volt. Now I'm gonna continue to the next video and show you how it looks when I wear it. So stay tuned guys.
Thank you very much guys for watching my video. Again, my name is Ken Castello, and if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button so that YouTube would actually recommend this video to other people who's interested in purchasing the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Volt. Okay, thank you very much guys. I'll see you on my next content.